What is stratigraphy in Scandinavian archaeology? Imagine walking through a landscape where every layer of soil tells a story about the past. That's what stratigraphy helps archaeologists do, especially in Scandinavia. It's a way to understand how different periods of history stack up over time at a site. When archaeologists dig in Scandinavia, they often find waterlogged environments like marshes and lakes. These places preserve layers of soil and artifacts very well. Stratigraphy allows them to carefully remove these layers one by one, keeping track of their order. This process helps piece together the timeline of human activity in the region. In Scandinavian archaeology, stratigraphy is essential because it helps date artifacts and features accurately. For example, if a Viking-era object is found in a certain layer, archaeologists can say it belongs to that period. They also look at natural layers, like sediment deposits, which can show changes in climate or environment over thousands of years. By studying these layers, researchers can see how societies evolved and how different cultures interacted. The main idea behind stratigraphy is the stratigraphic sequence. This is the order in which layers were formed, with the oldest at the bottom and the newest at the top. To record this, archaeologists use a method called single context recording. Each layer or artifact gets a unique number, so they can track where it was found and when. They also use Harris matrices, which are diagrams that show how layers relate to each other. These tools help visualize the complex relationships between different parts of a site. During excavations, archaeologists often use open area methods. This involves removing large sections of soil to see the full picture of a site's layout. They might also use quadrant and baulk techniques. Quadrant methods involve excavating specific sections to study the profile of features like walls or pits. Baulk methods leave unexcavated strips of soil to preserve the stratigraphy and prevent mixing layers. These techniques help keep the integrity of the site intact. In Scandinavia, stratigraphy isn't just about finding artifacts. It's about connecting communities with their history. By analyzing the layers, archaeologists can tell stories about how people lived, worked, and interacted over centuries. This process helps preserve the cultural identity of Scandinavian societies. It also guides how sites are protected and managed for future generations. In this way, stratigraphy becomes a bridge linking the past with the present, allowing communities to understand and cherish their heritage.